How to order author copies from Amazon KDP. Once you've published your book, it's really super helpful to order author copies to have on hand. You can use these for book award submission, for book signings, for book fairs and festivals, for client training, and for gifts. That way you're ready to go. Let me show you how to order your author copies. It's really simple. First, you sign in to your Amazon KDP account. Then you look for the book that you want to order author copies for. For me, it's going to be Responsabilidad Solidaria. You click on Order Author Copies. Then you will get the order form. You put in your quantity. Let's say I want 25. And then you select your marketplace. And I will select it from Amazon.com. Then you'll see the cost. So for my 25 copies, it's going to be $101.35. And if you notice, they are $4.05 per copy. Now that's significantly lower price than what I would pay if I bought directly from Amazon as a customer. My book sells for $14.95. So ordering author copies saves you significant money, and you can have them available for events or other things that come up at the last minute. So then you submit your order. As soon as you submit, you're going to come up to the confirmation page. So here it tells you again, it's the 25 copies. Now this part's really important. You need to click on Proceed to Checkout, which will then pull up your cart. You review your order. If all looks good, you click Place Order. You'll get a confirmation that your order has been submitted. So here is your optional action item. Order your first batch of author copies from Amazon KDP. And that's how you order author copies from Amazon KDP.